few, just to bring us an update of Githurai. Now, Education Cabinet Secretary Julius Ogamba has affirmed the government's readiness for the rollout of senior secondary school under the competency-based education system as the education sector continues to undergo major reforms. Speaking during the official opening of the 48th Kenya Secondary School Heads Association Annual Conference at Sheikh Zayed Hall in Mombasa, CS Ogamba lauded school heads for the instrumental role in implementing education reforms. He assured them of continued government support to facilitate a smooth transition from grade 9 learners into senior school beginning January of 2026.
We are at the heart of implementing recommendations from the Presidential Working Party on education reforms. These reforms touch on every aspect of our education system, from the curriculum to teacher training, assessments to infrastructure, and to funding of schools and governance. So far, we have successfully rolled out the CBE up to grade 9. In terms of the scale of the rollout, CBE has been rolled out in all our 39,156 primary schools and in 26,764 junior schools across the country. We anticipate transitions to senior school in approximately 10,940 secondary schools across the country.
Elsewhere, tension is high in Tangakona area.